Every gardener has their trusted sources. The RHS, the BBC, David Austin, a YouTube channel you keep coming back to. The knowledge section is your own botanical library. Every article worth saving, organized by topic and linked to the plant it belongs to. Adding a resource is simple. A title, the source, a topic. You can link it to a plant, paste in the content for offline reading, and save up to 3 URLs, because the best advice often lives across more than one page. Each resource keeps everything in one place, a short note in your own words, like the sowing months for basil, the plant it's linked to, and the links to the sources you've gathered, ready to open whenever you need them. And because everything in GardenKeeper is connected, a single search pulls it all together. Type roses, and you'll see your plant alongside every article you've saved about pruning, training, mulching them, your knowledge and your garden in the same place.